Is it okay if I post it on YouTube? Is it okay?
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Sorry, excuse me. Are these 18 or 24 carats?
21.
21. All of them?
This is only 21.
Oh, these are 21.
This
These
18.
18 carats.
That's 4 hours.
And the 18 carats, is it cheaper or more expensive?
Cheaper.
Okay.
Good price.
And if someone wants to order from outside, not here in Saudi, do you guys do delivery?
Italia.
No, if someone wants to buy from outside of Saudi Arabia, do you send it outside? How long does it take to send to maybe Canada or America?
No problem.
How long?
How long?
How long does it take?
لا هي تاخذ معها اوكي.
If somebody from outside wants to order, no? Oh, you don't? Only in Saudi Arabia? Okay. Ah, okay.
رياض
Yeah?
دمام الشرقية بس حسن
Al-Ahsa?
الجنوب
Okay.
استقرار.
Okay.
السناب شات انستغرام مجاهرة المنسوري.
Yeah.
قولي برايس.
Good price. Whoever sees the video. And what's your name? Your name. What's your name?
مبارك.
So when they come, they ask for Mubarak? When they come, they say Mubarak? Okay. And do you guys also have the name? Name. You don't do name. They're very beautiful.
Where are you from?
Me?
Yes.
From Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. Canada, you know, beside America. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking. If someone maybe sees the video and they wanna order, you guys don't do deliver. Yeah.
18 carat down. Maybe 14 carat.
Yeah, they like 14.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a lot of 21 carats.
Yeah, 21, 24,
Mhm.
22.
But here you have a lot of 21 carats.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. How much would this go for?
Five.
Not size, like price.
Small.
Price. How much would that be?
One piece.
Yeah. Okay, one piece. How much would that be?
14 gram by 2.
14 grams.
3,500.
So that's 14 grams. So 1 gram is how much? 100 riyal?
200.
1 gram is 200 riyal.
215, 210 reals, 208.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, the line. Different design.
Oh, different designs or different prices?
Yes, the making.
Okay. And these styles? They're Saudi style or from India?
India.
India. So Saudi people don't wear this.
This
This is Saudi style.
Italy, 21.
Italian?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
And
This Italy 18K.
wow. And 18K, is it also the same? 200
No.
riyal?
No. 185, 190.
185 per 1 gram.
Yes, 190.
Okay. And then these are also the same?
18.
18 carats. And then what about the silver one?
White gold.
White gold. Okay. Oh, these are beautiful.
It's only Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. This is CD Christian Dior.
Yes, Christian.
It's very nice.
Half in the seat.
Over there as well. Oh, the set. I'm gonna come and see it.
This is the name. Come.
Oh, for the wedding. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom in.
This 18.
These are all 18 carats. Yeah. This is what they like in Canada, America, Europe.
Yes.
They usually wear 18 carats. How much would this, the 18 carats, go for?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Around my time.
15 grams.
3,166.
Okay. Oh. Thank you. Are you gonna close the store? No? Two. For the store. And then you order only here in Saudi. Okay. Mansouri Jewelry. Oh, he's so nice. He got me water. Look at that. Bye.